Hey guys, welcome to TechHood 254, where we help you learn how to make money online the legit way. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $300 working from home using your very own blog. And so don't miss out on any step. Let us dive right in without wasting any time. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using our own blog to make this money. And as you know, if you've watched Tech Hood before, you know that our favorite number one method of making money online is actually affiliate marketing because it's super newbie friendly. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, we're going to be picking a niche, we're going to be creating the blog, and we are going to pick an affiliate program that we can use to monetize our blog. Okay, so when it comes to selecting a niche, you have three general categories that you could go with. You've got health, wealth, and you've also got relationships. After settling on your niche, it's time to create a blog, and we're going to be using the Gator website builder, which also happens to be the sponsor of this video. If you do not know how to set up your account, go ahead and watch the video that is showing on the screen right now because we've got those details covered in that video. Also, if you want us to create your blog for you, then go ahead and click on the affiliate link down in the description box to sign up, and we'll be happy to do that. So I've already set up my account, as you can see here. So I'm just going to click on manage blogs, and as you can see already here, I've got one blog post that is showing. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, head over to the blog, build the blog section here, and as you can see, you can add different categories. You've got this place here where you can click on there to put your featured image. Okay, you want your blog to be something that people are willing to read, and so you need to have a cover image for that. Right here is where you are going to have your title, and you need to make it something that's catchy so that people are going to be able to click on your blog. The next thing here is your introduction, and basically this is something just like a hook that you can use to help also draw people to want to read the blog so that they can click on those affiliate links that you're going to be monetizing with. And so right here is the body section, and so this is where you are going to be describing everything pertaining to your article, pertaining to your blog, and whatever it is that you're trying to write about. So this website builder, as you can see, it has some really awesome features down here. And just to show you real quick what it can do is when you click on this T right here, it'll bring this pop up, and so you could turn that into a quote, a regular paragraph, and it has different headers that you could play around with just to make your blog more interesting and easy to read. And also it has other features as well. As you can see, if you click on this, it'll give you different images, and you might want to throw in some images in there so that people, while they're reading your blog, are able to have a better time, a better experience with your blog. And this is likely to help you increase those affiliate links, getting clicked on those affiliate links, and help you get more sales. Okay, so this is how you add a link. This is really important because you are going to want to include links in your blog post to the affiliate offers that you're trying to promote. Okay, so when it comes to publishing, you will head over up here to the top right. You can schedule your publish, or you could just click on publish now, and once you have published it, it will appear here. All right, also you can click on categories, and it will show you the different categories that you have written blogs for. Okay, so once your site is published, then your blog posts will appear like this, and they will also be published as well. And so this is basically what your general blog post is going to look like, with a cover image up here, your title, and your entire blog post and your affiliate links should all be in here. It's not a full blog post, as you can see. This is just an example, but once you've got that all settled, you need to make sure that you are writing as many articles as possible. And in these articles, you are going to be monetizing them with affiliate links and affiliate banners from different affiliate offers that you're trying to promote. So in this video, we're going to be promoting Get Response, which happens to be an email marketing system or an email marketing software. So as you can see here, Get Response actually allows you to make as much as $100. And this is why I was telling you guys that you could make up to $300. So you simply have to promote this um on YouTube, on Pinterest, and on Quora, and drive traffic to your blog so that people can actually click on these affiliate links that you've got. Okay, so you need to make sure that several people are clicking on those links, because the more people who click on those links, the higher your chances of making that $100 per link.